Hi there, this is Simon from Kodi Junkie again. Thanks very much for stopping by. We've got a quick video for you today just on how to install the Spartan Build onto your Kodi platform. Really nice and quick and easy to do, and a really good looking build as well, which is good. Now I'm going to be installing this onto a completely fresh installation of Kodi, and I'd recommend you do the same as well. Really, that's just so that you don't end up with a load of video add-ons and stuff from previous builds that you're not going to be needing when you use Spartan. We kind of recommend you do that whenever you put a new build on the platform. If you're not sure how to clean up Kodi, if you're not sure how to restore it to default settings, I'll put a link below this video to an article on our website which will talk you through it. But it's really nice and easy to do, and something you can just you can do in 5 minutes or so. It's certainly not something you need to do though. So if for whatever reason you don't want to do that, you can still install the Spartan Build following this video. It's just that you may well end up with a load of stuff clogging up your box that you don't necessarily need. Anyway, let's get started. So first step in this is to come along to the System menu here, and I'm going to select File Manager. Now we need to click on Add Source to let Kodi know where we're going to be downloading the build from. So I'm going to click on None. And you're going to want to type in this URL and just make sure this is correct and there's no spaces at the beginning of or the end of the URL. If for whatever reason you haven't entered it incorrectly, you will get an error message from Kodi saying that it couldn't find anything at that particular location. But once you've typed that URL in, click on Done. You're going to want to give this particular source a name. In this case, I'm just going to call it Spartan Build because it's going to be nice and easy to recognize, and click OK. And you can see we've added that source there, so we know the URL we entered is correct. Now I'm going to come back out, go back into Systems again, and this time I'm going to select Settings, and I'm going to go to Add-ons. I can click OK here, and I want to choose this option to install from zip file. Now when I click on that, you'll be given this list, and you can see here is the Spartan Build path that we've just created. So I'm going to click on that. So from here we're going to be given a range of different zip files to install. If you're going to be installing the Spartan Build as we are here, I'm going to select Wizard. And once I've selected that, I'm probably just going to want to wait a few seconds until I've got confirmation that that's actually been installed properly. And there we go, you can see at the bottom there we've got a little pop-up that's just sort of said that that Spartan Wizard has been enabled. Now once that's done, I'm going to come back to my main menu here. I'm going to select Programs. Now you can see when I go into Programs, we've now got a Spartan Wizard here that we can run. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to select that option. Now once we've clicked on that, as you can see here, we've been given different options of builds that we want to install. Obviously in this case I'm going to click Spartan. And once we do that, we're given this downloading progress bar. And this will give you an update in terms of how much of the files have been downloaded. And once the download has occurred, you'll see a similar progress bar as files are extracted to your particular platform. So we'll just let this download and extract now. Okay, so all the files are downloaded now, and as you can see, we're just extracting a zip file, and we're pretty much there as well. Now once this happens, the last part in installing the Spartan Build is to force close your Kodi. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on the OK, and I get this message that comes up saying, we're about to force close, would you like to continue? In this case I'm going to say yes. So once I've done that, all I then need to do is restart Kodi. And you can see straight away the build's all ready to go, it's all been installed correctly, and you can start using it as you would expect. You may well get, as you can see at the top here, we're getting various update messages from the plugins that the Spartan Build uses. But you can use this build straight away. And as you look through it, we can see we've got an adult section here, but there's also TV shows, movies, and a variety of other bits and pieces like sports that are already set up for you. And the build really is quite comprehensive in aiming to give you sort of everything you need straight out of the box. Anyway, I hope you found that useful. If there are any questions at all, feel free to drop them in the comments section below the video. We're also on Twitter at Kodi Junkie, and we have a website at www.kodijunkie.com. If you found that useful, we'd really appreciate likes, comments, follows, visits to the webpage. Tell your friends, that'd be great. And hopefully we'll get another video up for you soon. So if there's anything you'd like to see, give me a shout, and we'll make sure we get that up and running for you. Anyway, thanks again for stopping by. Hope you found that useful. Take care, speak to you soon.